my squishy. First we got this green raindrop. Second is this big banana. Third we have this Mr. Beast gold squishy. Fourth we have this carrot. Fifth we have the snowman with snowdrops in them. Second, let's see what we get by Mr. Dumpling. We got glitter dumpling. And then we have this 6th dumpling that is gold.
17.
It's really squishy. And last we have this squishy. We have this peach. It's really stretchy.
Keep talking.
Bye. This is my last squishy. Bye.